I'm going to cover every single thing that you need for writing structure, okay? That will help you. Matter, tell me properties. Properties are mass, volume. All matter has mass and volume. Volume means occupying the space previously occupied by something. And also we have words like escape. Not only that, we have definite shape, definite volume. This depends whether it's a solid, liquid, or gas, the different states of matter, and can be compressed. This is all for matter. For electricity, on the other hand, the 4 steps are situation, means what happens to the circuit. Did I turn on the switch, turn off the switch? Open or close circuit. That will lead to an open or close circuit. Very important. Later on, you will get to see that I keep using the same thing. Okay, so you must be able to use it on your own. Then we have flow of electric current, whether the electric current can flow through or not. Or you can say electricity is the same as electric current. Then last one will be outcome. So you have 4 steps every single time for electricity. Okay, so please remember these 2 writing structures for matter and electricity. So we have this question here, question 6. And then we've got this living room and everything, then kitchen and bedroom and everything, right? So they say bulbs are of the same brightness. Whenever you look at an electricity question, first step is to do what? Is to identify where is my battery. Important, because that without battery, there's no electricity. Without power supply, there's no electricity at all. So identify where's my power supply. In this question, is power supply lah. Okay, and you have to always start from the power supply, end at the power supply, because it's like my battery. Start and end at the same place. That will form my circuit itself. So they say, based on the circuit shown above, describe one advantage of this arrangement. There's 2 types of arrangement that you learn in your syllabus. What are 2 types? Do you remember?
Series and parallel.
Good. So series and parallel. These are the 2 types of arrangement. Both have its advantage and both have its disadvantage. You have to know both. What kind of English is that? You have to know both of their advantages and their disadvantages. Okay? So I will cover them with you today. If you need to write down, you write down. But this is not what the question is asking for. The question is asking for only one advantage. And they ask you to describe. Describe means what? Sadly to say for electricity, right? Describe means explain. Then you say, teacher, I know already. If one bulb fuses, okay, this is the advantage. If one bulb fuses, my bedroom doesn't work. But I will still have a closed circuit with other things. You see, let's just can I have all of you to draw, whether you can draw using a pencil or you can draw using different colors, highlighters, up to you. Okay, so one closed circuit is this one. Can you draw your closed circuits, please, for all the 4 places? Again, as I said before, start from the power supply, end at the power supply. So it's important to identify where is my battery source. Now, so if one bedroom doesn't work, then we got bathroom, kitchen, and living room. All still can work, because I got closed circuit, closed circuit, closed circuit, closed circuit, closed circuit. So the advantage is that you will write down, when one bulb fuses, the other bulbs still can work. But that is not the entire answer. Why? Because you haven't explained. Explain is what you do. You use the 4 steps. So you must tell me the situation is when one bulb fuses, it will still be a closed circuit with the other bulbs, allowing electric current to flow through the other bulbs. The outcome is the other bulbs can still remain lighted up. Okay, so I'm using the 4 steps. I'm describing one by one. I'll show you the answer later. Okay, can y'all tell me? They say advantage, right? Anybody knows what's the disadvantage of using parallel circuit? What is the disadvantage? Anybody knows?
If one bulb fuses, then all the rest cannot work.
A parallel circuit, one bulb fuses, all the rest cannot work.
Electricity will flow slower than a series circuit.
No, it doesn't flow slower, but good try. So let's say this is 6 volts. Okay, volts is units for electricity. My bathroom will be what? 6 volts. My bedroom will be what? 6
6
volts.
volts.
My kitchen will be what?
6 volts.
Yes. My living room will be what?
6 volts.
If everything is connected parallel. Okay? But let's say if I were to put another bulb here in series. Okay? Another bulb here. In my bathroom, I got 2 bulbs now.
So
This 6 volts is shared between the two. So it's what?
3 volts, 3 volts each.
Yes. Does it make sense to you? But very sad lah. One thing bad about this series thing, right, is very dim lah, dimmer as compared to the one in parallel. Because my parallel still 6 volts, 6 volts, so bright. Now it's dimmer. Because I'm sharing. Okay? But you save electricity and cost lah. So whatever there's a disadvantage for parallel will be the advantage for series. Whatever there is the disadvantage for series will be the advantage for parallel. Okay, and there's a few. Series is of course when one bulb fuses, the other bulb cannot work, and also series is because it's less bright, right? So that's the reason why. But you save cost as compared to parallel, and you you save electricity. Okay.